Hey, what is up you guys? It's Ellery. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm super duper excited because I ordered something from Redbubble. So for those of you who don't know what Redbubble is a site where you can make art and share it with others, and people can buy it in like whatever they want. It can be mugs, blankets, stickers, pillows. I don't really know why I'd get any of the things I ordered in pillow form, but I got stickers. And like any other hip teenage girl, I'm gonna stick them on this Hydro Flask. Woo! I promise I'm not a hipster now, by the way. I just happen to have one of these. So this amazing little Hydro Flask is in the frost color. It's kind of like a baby blue. Like, remember in The Sims 3 when they had like the blue blankets for like the tiny like little newborns? It's that baby blue color, you know. Anywho, I think we're gonna move on to the unboxing now of these wonderful stickers. I spent $22 on these, and I think I need financial advising. Okay, so luckily the people over at Redbubble understand that I cannot be trusted with scissors. I like how I'm just like trying to, ow. I'm like trying to cut this. There's tape on here, guys. And they have a nice little tear thing on here, so I think what we're gonna do here is just tear our life away, or not. I don't, what's happening here? Oh, we did it. Oh my god, that was a crisp opening. Okay, okay. Oh my gosh, they're so thick. They're thick. Look at them! I'm so excited! Okay, so there are about 2 stickers on each little page here. I believe I ordered 12 stickers. They're very thick. They're like printed on vinyl and everything. So the first one I got is Sips Tea in italics, because you know how it be. There's another sticker that I got to go along with this, because in my opinion, like, stickers that are literally just text on Redbubble are like boring. So then this second sticker here is called Love Has No Bounds, and it's this little cacti with a balloon. Get it? Because cacti are pointy and balloons are fragile. Okay, so moving on to the next one. Oh, so this one here, the little tea bag is next. And this is the one that I got to go along with the Sips Tea one, just because I think it's a good combo together, you know? And like, on the occasion that I do put tea inside my Hydro Flask, I think they look really cute next to each other. But like, now that I'm seeing how like big these things are, like I got the tiny Hydro Flask, so I don't even know how many I'm gonna be able to fit on here. It's gonna be bugging. Probably gonna have a lot of extra stickers. Okay, so the next one I got here is a little Amaterasu from Okami, and I'm in love. I've been playing a lot of Okami recently, and I really love it. It's such a well done game, and the art style is just makes my heart so happy. Also, dogs are just S tier. So moving on. These, oh, what? Okay, so first things first, this needs to be addressed. I got a Roblox noob dabbing sticker. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger. So he's really tiny and awkward. It's kind of sad, actually. But I got a dabbing Roblox noob because I used to go hard in the paint at sword fights on the heights and the Hunger Games Catching Fire on Roblox back in the day. I will have you know, I was definitely a Roblox PvP god, so I feel like that just needed a dressing on my water bottle. And then I also got this little Katamari Damacy smash ball thing. This is quite interesting because I've had a theory going for a really long time that the prince, as in this little green dude from Katamari Damacy, is gonna make it into Smash Ultimate as a DLC character. I think whoever made this sticker had a similar idea. This is actually one of like the only Katamari Damacy stickers on Redbubble, which I was like really surprised about. So I got it because it kind of serves as like a Smash sticker, but also as like a Katamari Damacy one. And on the off chance that the prince is revealed as DLC, I'll be able to say, I told you so. Continuing on, I have two long boys here. I have, first up, I got the Junimos from Stardew Valley because God bless Stardew Valley. Best game of my life. Wait, no, Animal Crossing is the best game. Stardew Valley is a really good game, and I've been really involved with it recently, and I just... Look at these guys. How do you not love them? Then I also got these Pride hearts because Pride Month is coming up. Okay, this one is really exciting. These are all a bunch of tiny ones. I got these three little Shiba Inus. They have, one is just a normal one up top, and then the one on the bottom left has hearts, and the one on the bottom right has little leaves. It's so cute. I love them. We love sheeps. If you watch my live streams, you get it. If you don't, you're kind of in the dark. But Shiba Inus are like my favorite dog breed. Yeah, they're my favorite dog breed. And then I thought I'd get all these tiny little Nintendo controllers because they're really cute, and it has a GameCube controller and like a Wiimote and stuff. And they're tiny and good for fitting on my water bottle and whatever else I might put them on. Oh, okay. Next up, I have these Animal Crossing like sticker things. They're actually all cut out as like one thing, whereas I thought on the Redbubble website that they were all like separate stickers. I'll probably just cut them up anyways, but it is kind of annoying. And actually the next sticker down below is an Octoling mem cake from the Octo expansion in Splatoon 2. It's so cute though, look at it, oh my god. I think I'm gonna get a lot of compliments on this one in particular, not just because it's Splatoon. Honestly, I don't think a lot of people will get that it's Splatoon, but people will just be like, that is freaking cute. Also, like, looking at the design, its mouth kind of looks like the Magic Mouth from Little Big Planet, just saying. And then the final sticker I have here, I just realized that I got an odd number of stickers. And the final sticker I have here is a little like block thing that says I have rehearsal, because there have been too many times in my life when I am invited to exciting things and then I'm like, sorry, I can't, I have play rehearsal. Because I'm an artsy theater nerd. Okay, so now it's time to make decisions about which of these guys are gonna like make it onto this water bottle. It's gonna be pretty rough because the Hydro Flask 18 ounce is like mega tiny. I got it really tiny because I didn't want to have a big one because I knew I'd like knock it over and dent it on the first day, and smaller is better for me. So I think this is gonna be really hard. Oh god. I'm gonna make a lot of decisions and then I will come back to you guys while I put on the stickers. See ya then! Okay, so here I tried to do like a super duper cute time lapse, except the only problem is that my camera didn't have enough storage for me to fuss over it. So this isn't as long as ideal, but at least you get to see kind of the beginning of what I was starting to do here with my Hydro Flask. I was very particular about what I wanted where, and I didn't want it to like just sprawl all across the thing, so I just tried to keep it to a limited amount of space. But this is what the final thing ended up looking like. One of the main reasons I wanted to keep things super duper simple with this thing is because if I turn it over from the side that doesn't have the decals on it, I can take like aesthetic Instagram pictures with it. Oh my god! But that is one of my favorite things about it, because there are a lot of water bottles that I'll see at school that are like plastered in all these stickers in no like particular fashion, and it just stresses me out. Anywho, thank you all so much for watching, and of course remember to stay hydrated. Peace.